There was a blackout in my house. My parents sent me up in my room with a candle to help me see and at a futile attempt to keep me warm. It didn't help, of course, because it was just a small light and I didn't really care about burning myself again on these things. We didn't really use flashlights in our house. Something about we don't really just have batteries. That's kind of it. And my dad doesn't really have enough money for something like that. He pays already too much for the house. Well, while I was sitting there contemplating how to keep warm, how many blankets we have and crap like that, that really didn't matter, I felt a cold, icy wind hit me suddenly. It wasn't like when it was just slightly colder, it was like a whip almost. It was sudden, it was quick, and then it was gone. My whole body just froze up. Something was off about it. It's like when you walk into a hot shower and all of a sudden the once warm, inviting water becomes cold and freezes you like ice. And then you just stop. Freeze up. But there was a problem, a very big problem with this whole scenario. There was a problem. I never opened up the windows, so there couldn't actually be a wind.